Okay, we're solving polynomial functions here. We're going to review over this all week. We've got x cubed plus x squared minus 8x minus 12 equals 0. I want you to solve, find all the roots for that function. Alright, first thing I notice here, hoping I can do some factoring. It's easier for me to solve when I can factor. There's no GCF in all of it, so I can't factor. If I talk about grouping here, first group would have GCF of x squared. That would leave me with x plus 1. Well, I'm not going to be able to get an x plus 1 out of this group, so I can't do grouping, which means it is synthetic division. So I've got a 1x cubed, a 1x squared, negative 8x, and a negative 12. Now the options for what I'm going to divide by, factors of my constant over the factors of my leading coefficient. So my leading coefficient is 1, so I don't have to worry about that. Factors of my constant, factors of 12, could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Okay? Trial and error here. I'm just going to start trying a 2. If I try 2 there, drop my 1, 1 times 2 is 2, I add and get 3, 3 times 2 is 6, I add and get negative 2. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. That gets me negative 16, not 0. So I know that 2 is no good. Okay? So I'm going to look at that 3 next. Trying 3. 1 times 3 is 3. I add and get 4. 4 times 3 is 12. I add and get 4. 4 times 3 is 12. I add and get 0. So 3 is good. 3 works. Okay, good news for me. This started off as x cubed, which means this is x squared. So I'm going to write my quadratic now. X squared plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. Can I factor that? A times c, factors of 4 that add to my b, 2 and 2. So that would be x plus 2, that's an ugly 2. X plus 2 times x plus 2 is equal to 0. Set both of those equal to 0 and solve. Gets me x equals negative 2 twice. So my three answers are negative 2, negative 2 again, and 3. I'm going to write here x equals negative 2 and 3. And I didn't write my negative 2 twice, but I do know that it's there twice. Negative 2 had a multiplicity of 2.